All right, Manny, so I got the ground wire rigged up under the hood right now. I'll show you. I'm going to send you this video so you know what I have 100% discovered now. So there is my makeshift ground wire that runs over here to our ground. So the battery is 100% grounded to the ECM and the check engine light stays on and the relays don't flash. But what I now have, and I could make go away and come back, and I'm losing all my ability right here at our ignition. Remember, you have an ignition module, and then built into it is your anti-theft. They're two different pieces. Engine on, check engine light staying on. But watch this. The anti-theft goes out. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go down here and start fucking with these wires. Actually, I'm touching this wire right now and it's getting really hot. Let's see. I messed with this and the anti-theft light would come on. There it is. Now we're in lockout mode. Anti-theft initiated. I can't do shit with your car. See the lock around the window on the car? Now watch this. You see how it's still on? All the other lights went out? I'm gonna keep messing with these wires. Brake light just came on. Brake light's off. Gauges are acting dumb because I'm shorting it out over here. I'm touching shit and it's acting goofy. Let's see if I can get that light up. There it is. Bam. Now it should start. But it's not because your key also sends power to the starter. But I've managed to get these lights to act goofy. Let's see. Yep. Now I know my short is right here. So I'm going to redo everything I'm doing. I'm going to reground your ECM properly. Then I'm going to go in here and open all these wires up and we're going to fix every single fucking one of these because that's our issue right now. Yeah, I'm messing with these. But there you go, Minnie.